In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make cells square in Excel. If you've ever tried to build a clean grid for things like calendars, seating charts, pixel art, or neat checklists, you know that standard Excel cells aren't perfectly square by default. The trick is to work in real-world measurements, then set the column width and row height to exactly the same value. Start by going to the View tab. We're changing how the sheet is displayed, so it's easier to work with precise measurements. Once you're on the View tab, switch to Page Layout. This view shows your sheet with page margins and rulers, and it uses physical units like centimeters or inches. That's what makes it simple to match width and height exactly, without guessing. Now the key idea. We want the column width and the row height to be the same measurement. When those two numbers match, each cell becomes a true square. You can pick any value that fits your layout. 1 centimeter is a nice, easy example, but the concept works with any size as long as you use the same number for both. Right-click on a column header to set the width. Choose the option to change the column width, then type 1 centimeter and confirm. In Page Layout view, Excel will respect real-world units tied to your regional settings. So if your app is set to centimeters, entering 1 centimeter gives you a 1 centimeter column width. If your environment uses inches, you can enter the equivalent in those units. The important part is simply that it's a precise, real-world value. Next, right-click on a row header to set the height. Choose the option to change the row height, type 1 centimeter, and confirm. By matching the row height to the same measurement you used for the column, each cell in that intersection is now perfectly square. You'll notice the grid looks balanced, and the rulers along the top and left edges will confirm the dimensions. A few quick tips as you work. If you plan to use a different size, keep the numbers identical for width and height to preserve the square shape. Zoom level won't affect the actual measurements, so adjust zoom for comfort without worrying about distorting the squares. If your grid lines are hard to see, that's just a display preference. The dimensions remain accurate. And that's it. By viewing your sheet in Page Layout and setting the same measurement for both column width and row height, you've created precise square cells ready for clean, consistent layouts.